Might have seen me pop up in some random Instagram ads.
मेरा व्लॉग प्रॉब्लम का कॉज बनेगा. हेलो गाइस, वेलकम टू माय हिचकी व्लॉग.
Hello guys.
अनबॉक्सिंग.
पहचानी है बेटी.
हिचकी आ रही है, हिचकी.
Hi guys, I just wanted to quickly pop in and let you guys know that I did vlog this whole thing, but a year ago I would have been terrified to even just like open the camera and like do like this because it attracts a lot of attention from people, and especially when you are in a place surrounded by so many people, even though like I meet them on a regular basis and the whole thing that we do there is about making content and everything, but it's still a little bit like थोड़ा सा ऐसे फील होता है कि यार hello guys, it feels a little bit weird. But since my resolution for this year was to show up more authentically online, I went for it. I know I signed myself up for a really big challenge because last year's resolution was like nothing in front of this. I thought that it was difficult, but it was not. It was just, this is difficult. This is really difficult. But I just simply went for it. And see, the thing is, हमें ना ऐसे बहुत normal लगता है आजकल, especially because we see everybody vlogging, we see everybody out with their cameras and doing all of that, hi guys and everything, but it's usually online. At least I have never seen anybody around me do that. So maybe in more metropolitan cities, or maybe like Mumbai, Gurgaon, Delhi, or other cities, maybe it's like more common. But यहाँ चंडीगढ़ पे I haven't seen anybody do it so openly, especially in public. घर पे मुझे नहीं पता, people do make content at their own places and everything, but doing it out in public is really difficult. And even like when these 2-3 guys are passing, I felt a little bit like, मुझे 1.5 साल से ज़्यादा हो गया है ads shoot करते हुए. You might have seen me pop up in some random Instagram ads, but simply the thought of just creating, like pulling out my phone if I'm in a cab and start shooting something, or if I'm in a cafe, it's not the most easiest thing. It's very awkward, and usually the first thing that comes to mind is, yeah, what's the cab driver gonna think? Maybe we'll have an awkward conversation or something like that, something that just stops you. But I'm just slowly trying to change that. I want to do this in public and I want to do it. अभी तो सब चले गए हैं. But that's not my fault, okay? There were 3 guys sitting there, and I'm literally sitting right in front of a window, so people passing by can actually see me talk to my camera. So I want to slowly change that. And initially I thought कि मैं पहले घर पे बैठ के ही intro वगैरह कर लूंगी, but then I was like, no, I should just go in a cafe where there are people. I should do the difficult thing, and it's not that difficult. It's more difficult in my head than it is in real life. So that's why I decided to come to a cafe, film this bit of the vlog, and I'm just gonna sit here and make a few more videos. And this is like a gentle little reminder for you guys to do the hard thing, to stop waiting for your confidence to show up, because confidence doesn't come from just sitting and waiting around for things to happen. It comes to you when you actually take a little tiny step. I would encourage you to not, like, if you are scared and you think yaar mujhe nahi hoga, I can't do it, you don't have to immediately like do the scariest thing that you know. Just start with a little bit. Just जो ऐसी चीज आपको लगती है कि यार I can't do this, try. You don't have to be good at it. You don't have to even like finish it. You just have to start it, because once you start it, that is when you will be able to develop your confidence bit by bit. Okay, that's all I want to say. So just go for the scary thing, and it's not going to be scary anymore. I'm gonna finish my coffee and shoot a couple more videos, and back to the vlog now.
So guys, I'm almost ready, and I wanted to show you these 2 products that I've been using in my skincare. I've actually just stopped using everything because my skin needed a break, but then I got these 2 from the Nykaa sale, and I've been using it quite regularly now, and I see tiny bit of difference in my skin. I have a lot of coffee, and that's why I get these breakouts and everything. But these 2 products, I've noticed that when I use them together, like a very subtle glow, a very subtle shine to my face. I have dry skin, by the way, so my skin doesn't appear to be as dry when I use these. So I put the hyaluronic acid first, and then I let it sit for a while, and then I will go over with the niacinamide. And then when both of these dry, I put on moisturizer. Let me also show you this perfume that I use. This one is from Westside. It's called Paris, and it has a very nice vanilla-y, coconutty fragrance. It doesn't last long, or maybe I've just gotten so used to it that I can't really smell it for more than like 5 seconds. So I spray it on and I smell it, and then after that it's immediately I just like, it's like my nose is immune to the fragrance. I'd still like to recommend this for those of you who like fragrances that are like coconutty vanilla fragrances. This one was for I think 1495. Most of the fragrances at Westside are not that good, but this one was good. But this is the glow that I was talking about. It gives like a real nice shine, and it's not oil. Okay, it's not that my face is oily or anything like that. Bad lighting. Hello guys, I am at the shoot. पानी पी रही हूँ मैं. Did like light सा makeup and I'm just waiting for my DOP. फिर हम आज शूट करनी शुरू करेंगे. Also, can you guys see कि मेरे eyelashes की shadow कितनी सही लग रही है? I use the Mars का mascara. It's pretty good. It's like that 2-in-1 वाला. I saw it on a reel and then I got influenced into buying it, and it's actually pretty nice. I mean, I have one from MAC as well, but this one is a good buy if you are looking for something on a budget. DOP.
बहुत बढ़िया आ रही है.
कॉसाइक्यू के तो इतने एड्स करा चुके हैं ना मुझसे.
कोसाइकी का तो बहुत कुछ है यार.
मेरे बनूंगी डॉक्टर नहीं. आपकी किसकी ऐड है?
डॉगी वाला, सेक्सी डॉगी.
डॉक्टर्स तो कम कम ही मेकअप करते हैं. थोड़ी सी लिपस्टिक लगा लेते हैं. लिपस्टिक
क्या प्राइमर काम करता है?
यार मैंने आज तक प्राइमर कभी यूज नहीं कर.
मेरे को लैब में आया था इसलिए मैं यूज कर रही हूँ. मुझे पता नहीं पर इसका काम क्या होता है.
मतलब मैं तो वो लगा लेती हूँ मॉइस्चराइजर, उससे ही हो जाता है. क्योंकि
बहुत ही सॉफ्ट.
मेरे ख्याल से प्राइमर उन लोगों के लिए ज़्यादा बेनिफिशियल रहता है जिन्होंने पूरा ऐसे फाउंडेशन फेस पे लगानी. मैं तो हल्का हल्का सा कंसीलर लगाती हूँ. इतना मेरे को अच्छा नहीं लगता. भारी भारी सा लगता है चेहरा बहुत.
हाँ, मैं तो इसलिए अब यूज कर रही हूँ क्योंकि आ गया तो खत्म तो करना ही है.
हाँ. रिसर्चर बनी हूँ मैं, साइंटिस्ट. हिचकी आ रही है, हिचकी आ रही है, हिचकी.
देखो
ये कैसे पहनना है?
खोल दो इसको.
अनबॉक्सिंग.
अच्छा बनो कर रही हो, खोलो, खींच दो.
ओके.
थोड़े बाल पीछे करने पड़ेंगे.
थोड़े क्या पूरे कर दूंगी. भूख लग रही है.
We don't realize it, but you guys will see here how much effort and attention to detail goes into filming even the simplest of shots. I had never in my wildest dreams thought that I would be acting in ad shoots, but here I am.
देखना ठीक है.
हेलो गाइस, वेलकम टू माय हिचकी व्लॉग.
चल रहा है क्या ब्लॉग?
यस. सांस रोकने से आगे ना करे. ठीक है. प्लेसमेंट
ठीक है डन.
कलर तो चेंज हुआ नहीं.
हाँ,
चश्मा डाल ले दो.
इधर से आना और ये बोलना कि हाँ अभी इसमें चेंज हो जाएगा, तो बस सिर्फ हाथ का ही शॉट आएगा.
करता हुई काम मेरी है लाइट. अरे वो मोड चेंज हो गया.
बच गए गाइस, मेरी सैलरी बच गई.
भैया
एक बार गिराया तो एक बार बचाया भी.
भाई थोड़ा सा इधर होता ना कैमरा, यहाँ तक.
पहले से ही फ्रेम में रहो.
हाँ,
उस फ्रेम में नहीं, उस फ्रेम में.
वो यही है. वही हीरो की हूँ मैं.
थोड़ा सा पीछे हो ना. रेडी. सॉरी
Guys, it is 12:54 right now and I have to shoot 5 ads today. We are done with 2. Taking a little lunch break. नहीं, breakfast break. I don't know. मतलब technically this is supposed to be my breakfast because I didn't have a breakfast because मैंने रात को पिज़्ज़ा खा लिया था और अब मुझे बहुत भूख लग रही है and I had a little bit of time between ads. So I'm just having my brunch.
पिछले सोशल मीडिया के 1 साल में जाने की हाइट भी लंबी होगी भाई, कुछ इंचेस.
क्या हेरा फेरी चल रही है प्रेजेंटेशन में? मैं नहीं देनी है प्रेजेंटेशन। दिखाओ दिखाओ।
गीला करके इसको
कुछ भी क्रिश हाय विद अ स्माइल। तुम मेरी राइटिंग को मिटा रहे हो?
हाँ
कृष्णा
हाँ
हाँ क्या?
अभी शूट होना है यहाँ पे तो
दीक्षा आपने फोटो ले ली थी ना इसकी जो किया इन्होंने वीडियो ले ली ठीक है अभी जाएगी डीओपी इश्यूज में जाएगी अब ये नया ग्रुप बनेगा
मेरा ब्लॉग
इसमें सिर्फ इश्यूज आएगा
प्रॉब्लम का कॉज बनेगा।
जान ली
होली तो होली।
ये पता है मेरा एंकी है जो खो गया था ऑफिस में एक दिन
यहाँ से निकले
मेरे भी एक पजामे गुम है, यहीं से निकलेगी कहीं
गंदे से बेटी बचाओ बेटी बचाओ बेटी पढ़ाओ इस बेटी की बात नहीं करते हो कभी भी पर
क्या?
से।
बेटी
होली तो होली।
बचाओ।
पचानी है बेटी
बेटी बचाओ बेटी बढ़ाओ बेटी बचाओ।
इतने पर्दे लगा दिए फिर भी सौरभ थोड़ा सा आ गया तो ठीक है 3 ही हो यार फ्रेम में ना थोड़े आ रहे हो तीनों लेकिन आपका रिएक्शन आएगा हाँ जी अगर ना आप और सौरभ को साउंड रोलिंग एक्शन
नाम बताइए स्टेटमेंट का, आज से आप ही बॉस हैं।
फ्रेम में
नहीं सही साउंड रोलिंग एक्शन
अब नाम बताइए स्टेटमेंट का, आज से आप ही बॉस हैं।
सर इस ट्रीटमेंट का नाम है पीपी ब्राइटनिंग क्रीम जो
अच्छा।
999 में अवेलेबल है। हेल्थ स्टोर की वेबसाइट से आप ऑर्डर कर सकते हैं।
दीदी आपको कैसे पता है सर
सर वो क्या है ना, मैंने एमबीए करी है, नौकरी मिले नहीं तो यहाँ चाय बेचनी पड़ती है।
ठीक है
डन है
पहले कान खोल के देखना फिर साफ करना फिर टिश्यू दिखाना इसमें दिखेगा भी
तो टिश्यू तो खाली है।
हाँ कान में है ना कान से
रखो एकदम ठीक है
रिकॉर्डिंग ऑन कर दो, रिकॉर्डिंग ऑन कर दो।
लॉन्ग डॉग।
करो।
ठीक है
हाँ
अब इसका ही मुझे वाइट शॉट चाहिए इस बार क्लीन
Very long day today, guys. Very long day. So guys, we've been trying to shoot this last ad, but इतनी बड़ी लाइट जा रही है. I wanted to go home, but लाइट चली गई है.
So that was the vlog. Let me know in the comments below what you liked and didn't like, and I'll see you guys next time.
Bye bye.